Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove VW Tiguan rear seats. First, ensure your workspace is clear and you have all necessary tools, such as a socket wrench and trim removal tools. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery before starting any work involving electrical components. This prevents accidental power surges or short circuits during the removal process. Next, we'll tackle the seat base. Begin by locating the retaining bolts or clips, usually found at the front or rear edges of the seat base. Once these are removed, carefully lift the seat base to detach it. Be mindful of any electrical connectors, such as those for seat heaters or occupancy sensors, and disconnect them before fully removing the base. Take your time to avoid damaging any wiring. Now, let's move on to the seat backs. You'll typically find mounting bolts or latches at the bottom or sides where the seat backs connect to the vehicle's frame. After unfastening these, fold the seat backs forward to gain better access to their lower attachment points. Carefully lift and slide the seat backs upwards and out of their hinge mechanisms. They can be surprisingly heavy, so lift with care. With the seats removed, take a moment to inspect the floor for any debris or forgotten items. When you're ready to reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all bolts are tightened to specification and electrical connections are secure. Store your removed seats in a safe, dry place to prevent damage. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial outlook, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.